in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Buchanan County, northwestern Delaware County, until 10 a.m. At 8:54 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shell Rock to near LaPorte City, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Independence, Jessup, Fairbank, Edgewood, Hazleton, Lamont, Greeley, Aurora, Dundee, Stanley, Watsiconican Golf Course, Fontana County Park, Littleton, Buchanan County Fairgrounds, Otterville, Backbone State Park, Independence Airport, Jackway Park, and Fontana Park. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Take cover now. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. for northeastern Iowa.